We are very pleased to be sponsoring the 9th annual STEMCon event here at College of DuPage. What we've done is we've transformed the Physical Education Center arena, 40,000 square feet, into essentially a STEM wonderland. We've got more than 50 booths featuring COD academic programs and a wide variety of outside entities that have come in to support the event. We expect about 3,000 visitors here today. We're very pleased to have Emily Calandrelli as our main stage speaker. You might have seen her program on Netflix. We're really thrilled to have her here.
So STEMCon is about making STEM fun. Science, technology, engineering, and math. Introducing them to the earlier generations is going to help us encourage them to be in these fields. Look at their applications, because there's application of STEM in every field of life.
Well, I'm Congressman Bill Foster, representing 100% of the strategic reserve of physicists in the United States Congress. And I have to say, STEMCon is one of my favorite events of the year. Just watching the creativity and the exhibits and the enthusiasm for all of the kids visiting and trying to understand how the scientific world works is something that just brightens up my day. My favorite display is either the snakes, which everybody loves or hates or is terrified of, or the electricity, which really lets kids see the power of technology in their lives.